What is a DRDoS attack? In this video, we will try to understand that. A DRDoS attack is a distributed reflection denial of service attack. Let's try to understand this term. A denial of service attack is an attack in which attackers disrupt the service of a target host and makes the target host unavailable for its intended users. For example, an attacker may send a massive number of request packets to a target host. The request packets may end up consuming all the network bandwidth or computational resources of the target host. As a result, the target host will become unresponsive or unavailable for its intended users. Ping flood, ping of death attack, smurf attack, etc. are examples of denial of service attacks. A distributed denial of service attack is a type of denial of service attack. In a distributed denial of service attack, attackers use multiple sources to launch the denial of service attack. For example, attackers can use malware to infect a large number of computers and create a botnet of infected computers. After that, the attackers may use each computer of the botnet as a source and send a massive number of requests to a target host. The request packets will overwhelm the target host and cause a distributed denial of service attack. A distributed reflection denial of service attack or DRDoS attack is a type of distributed denial of service attack. In a DRDoS attack, attackers first select a large number of victim hosts. Then, they send a massive number of request packets to the victim hosts. The attackers put the source IP address of the sent request packets and use the IP address of the target host as the source IP address in all the sent packets. As a result, all the victim hosts send response packets to the target host. The vast number of replies consume the network bandwidth of the target host and cause a denial of service attack. A smurf attack is an example of a DRDoS attack. We have already discussed the smurf attack in a separate video. The relevant links are provided in the description. So, how to protect servers from DOS, DDoS and DRDoS attacks? We have already discussed that in detail on the website of the Security Buddy. Interested viewers may find the relevant links in the description. I hope this helps. Interested viewers who want to know more, please visit the website of the Security Buddy or refer to the book Web Application Vulnerabilities and Prevention. The Security Buddy also provides many cybersecurity courses. The relevant links are provided in the description. You can also subscribe to us and get notifications on recent videos.